a school in New York, there was a teacher named Mark. He didn't see education as just a curriculum to be delivered, but as an intellectual experience to be built within minds. He believed that true knowledge is not handed out ready made, but constructed through questioning, and that middle school students are capable of thinking far beyond what is expected from them. A lesson that turned into a journey through the universe. While preparing a lesson about the planets and Earth, Mark wasn't focused on how to explain the material, but on how to spark a sense of wonder. He asked himself, how can I make them feel how small Earth is within this infinite universe? And that's when the idea was born, to turn the lesson into a journey of discovery, driven by questions and fueled by curiosity. The moment the classroom stopped being about answers, he walked into the classroom calmly, paused for a moment as if preparing them for something different, then said, today I won't give you the answers, I'll give you the chance to find them. In that moment, the rhythm of the lesson was changed, and the classroom was no longer a place for receiving, but a space for thinking. Let's see what happened with them. Which planet has the shortest day in the solar system? Earth, Jupiter, Mars? The answer is Jupiter. Which planet has the longest year compared to Earth? Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. The answer is Uranus. What is the stellar classification of the Sun? Red giant, white dwarf, main sequence star. The answer is main sequence star. Which planet experienced the greatest temperature variation? Mercury, Venus, Mars. The answer is Mercury. What is the closest star to Earth after the Sun? Sirius, Alpha Centauri, Proxima Centauri. The answer is Proxima Centauri. Which planet rotates almost on its side? Uranus, Neptune, Saturn. The answer is Uranus. Which planet has the fastest winds in the solar system? Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn. The answer is Neptune. What is the brightest star in the night sky? Vega, Sirius, Betelgeuse. The answer is Sirius. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Mercury, Venus, Mars. The answer is Venus. What is the final fate of a star like the Sun? Neutron star, black hole, white dwarf. The answer is white dwarf. What is the most abundant element in stars? Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon. The answer is hydrogen. Which planet has the largest ring system? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. The answer is Saturn. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Mercury, Venus, Mars. The answer is Venus. What celestial object emits regular pulses of radiation? Quasar, pulsar, nebula. The answer is pulsar. With every question, their awareness expanded. Earth was no longer just a familiar planet, but a tiny ball in a vast universe, and the planets became mysterious shapes waiting to be explored. That lesson was the beginning of a real transformation, not only in what they knew, but in how they saw the world around them. Which planet has the largest volcano in the solar system? Earth, Mars, Venus. The answer is Mars. What's the name of the galaxy that we live in? Andromeda, Milky Way, Sombrero. The answer is Milky Way. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. The answer is Saturn. What color are the hottest stars? Red, yellow, blue. The answer is blue. Which planet is closest in size to Earth? Mars, Venus, Mercury. The answer is Venus. What does a light year measure? Time, distance, brightness. The answer is distance. Which planet orbits the Sun the fastest? Mercury, Venus, Earth. The answer is Mercury. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Elliptical, spiral, irregular. The answer is spiral. Which star is known as a red supergiant? Sirius, Betelgeuse, Polaris. The answer is Betelgeuse. Which is the coldest planet in the solar system? Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. The answer is Uranus. What force keeps planets in orbit around the sun? Magnetism, gravity, radiation. The answer is gravity. Which planet has the great red spot? Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune. The answer is Jupiter. What is the system of billions of stars bound by gravity called? Nebula, galaxy, cluster. The answer is galaxy. And here lies the joy of discovery. We are Brainova Puzzles, bringing you fun and smart challenges. Hope you enjoyed the video.